Yat She Tamara Fifer Yenisha, Twitch Ini Nishle, Auto Bespitrai Bashishin, Ashihi Deshache, Auto Bespitrai Dashanella. Thank you for joining us today as the interim president of Haskell Indian Nations. I wish to welcome our fellow students, graduates, family, faculty, staff, and friends to this virtual fall commencement of 2021. Congratulations to the fall graduates. Your perseverance and dedication to your studies is second to none. This special time is one to celebrate and recognize this monumental achievement. It is due to your perseverance and tenacity that you have worked through one of the challenging times in our history to earn your degree. It is because you, along with your instructors, were able to navigate and support one another from in-person to virtual learning, and then back for some of you to return to campus and in-person learning again. This flexibility and daily engagement in a new normal assists us in knowing now that you are ready for the next chapter in your life. I, along with the Haskell community, wish to again congratulate you on your degree. Onward, Haskell. This year, we have lost many Haskell family members, both near and far. I'd like to take this time to please remember these individuals. Join me now in a moment of silence in their memory. Thank you.
Hey, 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 hey.